In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a space in ClickUp. To start, open ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and sign into the workspace where the space lives. A space is the top-level container for your projects, so sharing it gives your teammates access to everything inside, folders, lists, and tasks based on the permissions you choose. Make sure you have permission to share that space. If you don't see the sharing options, your Workspace admin can adjust that for you. Once ClickUp is open, look to the left sidebar and locate the space you want to share. Hover over its name to reveal the More menu, represented by 3 dots. Click those 3 dots. This menu is where you find settings and actions specific to that space, and it's the quickest way to manage access without diving into deeper settings. From the menu, select Sharing and Permissions. This opens the panel that controls who can see and do what inside the space. Here you can review who already has access and what level they have. It's a good moment to confirm whether you want people to only view, leave comments, or make edits before you add anyone new. Taking a second to audit existing access prevents oversharing and keeps your workspace organized and secure. Inside the Sharing and Permissions panel, go to the People section. You can start typing to search for teammates, guests, or entire teams, then choose the right permission level for each person. If someone only needs to follow progress, give them view or comment access. If they'll be managing tasks, select Edit Level Access. Click to add them, and your changes apply immediately so they can jump in right away. If you prefer to share with a quick link, use the Copy Link option in this panel. Before you send it, double-check the link's access scope so it only exposes the space to the right audience. For external collaborators, consider inviting them as guests so they see only what's necessary and nothing more than they need to complete their work. When you're done, close the panel or select Done if you see it. The space is now shared, and your teammates will be able to access it according to the permissions you set. If someone can't see the space, refresh the app or confirm they were added under the correct workspace and with the appropriate role. As a best practice, start with the least access needed and expand later. Notifications typically alert people that they've been added, which helps them find the space quickly. That's all it takes to share a space in ClickUp with clarity and control.